Oh my. Oh, it's smoking. That is not good.
Oh, it looks like a poop.
I don't think that's from Toys R Us.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
How are those legs?
Aluminum, these trucks here today, and we're gonna see if they're gonna break.
Oh, I see. The mirror's on the underside only.
Did you think it was on both sides?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, this is gonna
there might
break.
be several funguses and other bacterial.
Let's get a close up of this. Look at it. So used.
Where's the parasite?
So now we have 4 trucks.
This is worse than the nail board.
The nail board was easy compared to this. No, that looks comfortable.
Wait for this.
Eat it. Eat it. Ground zero.
No, censor it.
Man, I'm gonna take a break for a second.
Hey, dude.
You ever seen a hoverboard before?
No.
What's your name?
Marco.
Hey, Marco. Hi. Hoverboard? What do you think? She's ready.
Yeah.
Ready to hoverboard.
Back 3 hover. Oh, this is kind of scary.
First try. Is that extra pop? So what I was thinking is we do this for a little bit, and then we light them on fire, and it's flaming marshmallow grip tape.
Hurry up, Kelly! Hurry up, Kelly!
Yum, yum, yum.
It actually does look good.
That's actually so satisfying. That smells really nice. Oh no! Oh, it looks like a poop.
Hit that.
That's disgusting.
Oh, damn, that looks so
That's
good.
so gross. What do you think you can do on this? I mean, it already has AM grip.
You don't think you can kickflip it? Kickflip. When you're trying to sleep, but boards are flying at your face. That was amazing. All right, who's gonna focus it? Dudge or Aaron?
Ooh, I don't know. What do you think?
Your ankle might feel mad at you.
You think so? This is from Toys R Us, right? I got the wrong logo.
I don't think that's from Toys R Us.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Oregon Pro-Am. There it is.
Oh, nice.
Oh! 2020 Olympics. Yes. Show us what you got. Oh! Yeah!
Oh!
Oh!
Everything is so flimsy here. Like you go, oh, something plastic. This actually could work.
You should get one of these for your car.
That would be cool.
Five for donating to the military home front.
Woohoo!
You know, it's funny, it's just, you just land and it's primo.
Dude, that is incredible.
I'm not sticking it in there. Let's just do the pose again there. Cruel and mean. Do we want to show this bathroom to anyone?
Is this the Saw bathroom? Wait, you're not gonna mark it first? Oh my! Oh, it's smoking! That is not good.
Oh!
Not good.
Oh, Lance! Oh my god!
Breathe that in.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
That was not good.
What is going on?
I did a bad thing today.
We need to make sure this is tight. If it's not tight, it's going to be so hard to skate.
Oh. Flex tape even works underwater. I don't know why we need it to work underwater.
Is this the commercial where that guy saws a boat in half?
Yes. Break it.
What the? Did you already crack it? No, what?
Oh, Carlos.
Here we go at 115 pounds. Carlos Lester. Ow! Ow!
Oh, that's it. Oh, that's it.
Yes! Okay, just like new. Drop in on the big ball first try. No way.
Yeah, Carlos.
Don't split on him, board.
Oh!
Oh!
worst thing that could possibly happen is now done. It'll lose all its momentum by the time it hits the wall. It has the bungee to pull it back. We have nothing to lose.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, Gabe's quote, it will lose all its momentum by the time it gets over here.
It's like gym class all over.
I officially quit skateboarding and found my new passion.
Alright, so should we split up?
Just toilets everywhere. What about this? What happened, Lance? I mean, if you could just stand on the trucks, you would be fine.
Whoa! Definitely can't nollie this.
Oh. I figured it out. I guess we just leave the back open.
Like a glove. It actually wouldn't work except for we have the 2x4.
Done.
Yeah.
Was that first try? Oh, what?
Got him. First try.
Where's the beach at?
Venice? Or Long Beach?
Not bad, bro. That's okay. No records. It's actually a very, very sturdy product. I mean, I feel like anything that you make a skateboard out of and it doesn't just shatter into 1,000 pieces is a well-built thing.
Today we're going to skateboard a ripstick.
That's gonna be hard.
Me too.
Oh my god. Ollie it! Ollie it! Dave! Ollie it!
Hey! Go fast and commit.
I cannot believe he did that.
That was crazy.
I thought for sure he was gonna bail.
Oh no.
What are you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
She was like, is this your day in the life?
Oh, yeah, actually it is.
You ready to make some videos?
Yeah.
You do your intro like me.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Start. You didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Primo. Count it.
Nice.
I want to ride the Apple thing. That thing right there.
Put my dad on YouTube.
I can ride it. Hey, I was jumping cars. You know? Back in the day.
Hold on. Oh! Yes! That was the best thing ever. I knew that was gonna happen.
Imagine what would have happened if you did it.
Nailed it!
Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. Why do I feel like I'm gonna have hate mail from Harry Potter fans for drilling holes through this book? Or fan mail for skating a Harry Potter book? I'm over this Harry Potter book, I'm gonna focus it. Well, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys ever skated a book before. It's easier than you might think, yet at the same time harder than you think. Sorry I couldn't do the Harry Potter flip, but yeah, we had fun anyways. We're having a lot of fun making these videos. If you guys have an idea of something you want us to do, let us know in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, please like, leave a comment below.